Welcome to the Open Broadcaster demo. This is Ina Gogina and I will be providing a tutorial on how to use the OBS program for creating screencasts on Windows. This is a free open source program that allows you to both stream live and record a screencast to a video file. I'm using this program to record this video tutorial. The Open Broadcaster software works on all recent versions of Windows, beginning Windows 7. Recording and streaming a video is a very CPU-intensive operation, so to meet minimum system requirements, your computer must have Pentium Core Duo or higher and support the DirectX 10 suite of multimedia technologies. The program can be installed from the OBS website, obsproject.com. Two packages are currently available, the OBS Classic and the OBS Studio. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the OBS Classic. To download the program, simply click on the Classic version button on the website. You will receive a prompt to save the installer file. Click Save File in order to save the installer on your computer. Then find the installer and double-click the icon to install the program. You will see the OBS setup wizard. Simply follow the wizard instructions in order to download the program on your computer. You may also be prompted to download the DirectX components that OBS requires. Go ahead and install those as well. When you first run the program, the main program screen, this one right here, will be blank. That's because you haven't added a source yet. To add a source, right-click inside the Sources box, point to Add, and select either Window Capture or Monitor Capture. Window Capture will capture a single window, while Monitor Capture will capture your entire desktop. I'm using the Monitor Capture. Using sources, you can also add text or image overlays. They can function as a watermark or a copyright notice, reminding people of your brand. If the IRO feature is enabled on your monitor, you will get a warning about that. On Windows 7 and Vista, it is recommended to disable IRO when using monitor capture. To disable it, go to Settings, Video, and select the Disable IRO checkbox. Then click Apply. It will be enabled at that time. To save your screencast to a local file, you'll need to change a setting. In the broadcast settings, first thing you need to do is to change the live stream mode to file output only. Then, under File Path, you need to designate the file directory on your computer where OBS will output your stream and save it as a video file. I have personally designated a folder Info250 on my desktop, and I have identified the file name as Screencast. To set up your speakers and microphone, go to Audio and choose the respective devices under the desktop audio device and microphone auxiliary audio device. You see that I'm using the USB microphone right here and my regular computer speakers. You can also assign hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts for broadcasting. Go to Hotkeys and designate the hotkeys that you want to use during your broadcast recording. Here I designated a hotkey F11 to start recording and F12 to stop the recording. Then click Apply and click OK. You can then click Preview Stream, which will be enabled at the time, and you will see a live preview of your desktop in the OBS window. Finally, once you have configured all the settings for your screencast, you'll need to restart the OBS program. not to worry, any settings you have already configured will be saved. To start recording your screencast, you can click on the Start Recording button. It will be displayed on the very top here in this section, or you can use the hotkey you had set up. Speak into your microphone as you record the screencast, and the OBS will add your voice to the video file. When you're done, click Stop Recording or use the hotkey. You can now view your screencast from the location you have configured during the profile setup for the OBS recording to be saved. Now that you've learned the OBS basics, you're ready to produce your first screencast.